back to my YouTube channel. I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader, and in today's video I will be getting my life back together because it is falling apart. I have been very inconsistent in my studies. I have not cleaned my room in a very long time according to me, and I have basically fallen apart on my study plan and everything, and I need to complete my syllabus before like August, mid-September ish, and for that I need to be very consistent with my studies, and I have not been very consistent with them lately. So we definitely need to get back on track, and in this video I'm going to be doing that, and I will be showing you all how exactly you can do that too if you are like also in a slump or something. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. I'll put up my ID right over there, and I upload exclusive content on Instagram, and I also upload my thumbnails there before I put them on YouTube. So you will be knowing कि कौन से videos आने वाले हैं and कब आने वाले हैं. So make sure that you follow me over there. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let us get right into the video.
So I had to clean my room सबसे पहले, and as you can see it is extremely messy. Like my room is usually not this messy, but I don't know आज इतना ज़्यादा messy कैसे है. Like I am so annoyed because it is इतना ज़्यादा messy. So I obviously had to start cleaning. मैंने सबसे पहले अपने सारे कपड़े अपने बेड पर फेंक दिए, and it was a bigger mess after that. And मेरा एक सेकंड के लिए मन करा कि मतलब मैं कपड़े ना लगाऊं और बस सो जाऊं इसके ऊपर. But उसके बाद I realized कि I actually have to arrange all of them. So then I got to work. I was listening to my favorite music while I was cleaning my room, and folding all of the clothes was a big struggle, but the music helped a lot. And guys, if you are trying to clean your room, trust me, music is going to be your best friend. It will not make you feel like you're cleaning, and it will just feel like a jam session with your hands moving to work and all that. So yeah, I think that was quite nice, and I think like जो end result होता है and उसका जो feeling होता है, like the feeling you get after you clean your room is such a nice feeling. And honestly, once I started cleaning, I just felt like continuing, and I just felt like एक बार पूरा कर ही लेते हैं. And when the piles of clothes start building up, it's so nice to just put it all away.
This is how my bed looks right now, and नहीं मैंने इसको कहीं भी ठूसा नहीं है. I've kept all of my clothes properly. Let us ignore that. Yeah, so I've kept all of my clothes अच्छे से fold करके in my closet, and all of them were over here before, and now they're in their like respectful places. I'm so glad that I finally cleaned my closet because this was long due. It was dirty since so long, and I was just procrastinating on cleaning it, and it just got messier and messier. But now that I've finally cleaned it, I feel so nice. Anyways,
My desk was also extremely messy, so here is a transition of me cleaning that in a second. So अब मेरी desk reflect कर रही थी, and after cleaning I got the motivation to start studying. So मैंने अपनी to-do list लिखी. It is the first thing I do before studying because it guides me as to what to do, and मेरे को एक idea हो जाता है कि मेरे को क्या क्या tasks करने हैं. So this is the to-do list that I wrote today, and I don't think it is that hectic, and I can manage it within one day. And I feel like I'm feeling very productive, so मैं सब कुछ कर पाऊंगी आज. So that is nice.
so now I will be studying, and सबसे पहले I will be doing maths, and मेरे बाल ताकि मेरे आँखों में ना आए, I will tie them up. So now I've tied up my hair, and also guys, it is very important to keep all of your supplies with you when you start studying. And because I've been procrastinating a lot this past week, I definitely need to do that, because otherwise I'll just get up for the excuse to get my water bottle or something like that, and I'll just end up procrastinating. So I have my water bottle right here, and उसके अलावा मेरे को और कुछ चाहिए नहीं होता है. So without wasting any more time, let us start studying.
सबसे पहले I was doing maths. If you've been regular to my channel, you would know that maths is my favorite subject, and I can do it even when I don't have the mood to study. I mean, आज I felt like studying, but I just felt like starting with maths is going to give me a heads up, and when I'm done with it, it's going to motivate me to do other stuff as well. So I was revising coordinate geometry from ML Agarwal. Last time when I practiced questions, I did not do all of them. So today I practiced a lot of questions, and mostly because मुझसे questions हो रहे थे without making much error. So मेरा मन कर रहा था कि मैं और ज़्यादा questions करूँ. I was also listening to music while doing maths because that just helps me focus और ज़्यादा. I know not everybody can focus with music or with any sound playing in the background, But for me, whenever I'm doing maths and I'm listening to music, I'm able to focus. And I think that's mostly because I've made it a habit now. That also helps me romanticize the subject, because when I'm listening to music, it just feels better and I can just do maths for longer hours rather than when I'm just doing maths. I feel like I can't do it for longer hours because I get bored easily. But with music, I don't get bored utna. And after that I was just practicing all the examples and मैंने at least 30-40 questions करे होंगे. उसके बाद I got hungry, so I decided to make popcorn. I was making the butter delight popcorn. It is my favorite flavor because I love butter. मेरे को plain salt वाले अच्छे नहीं लगते. It's like it should have butter.
So now I'll be taking a break and I'm eating popcorn and I'm also watching Friends. I always like to watch Friends during my breaks because it is literally my comfort show. Anyways, now let me eat and watch Friends.
After I was done with my break, I started studying physics. I was watching मेरा PW का lecture and I was doing electricity. So I decided to watch my lecture and I was also making notes. I did the most difficult part of the topic today and I watched 2 lectures continuously. And honestly, it was not that tiring for me because after doing maths and after taking a break, I felt very refreshed and I felt like I could study for long. And I did study for long, so that is very nice. I'm so proud I completed this.
Now I've completed the lectures and मेरा chapter almost complete हो चुका है. सिर्फ power वाला topic बचा है, which I will do some other day because I think this is enough for today. क्योंकि आज मैंने सबसे difficult topics करे हैं electricity वाले chapter के. So to practice them, I will just complete the TPPs of the lectures ताकि like साथ साथ वो complete हो जाए and मेरा एक quick revision भी हो जाए. So let's do that. मैंने पहले अपनी DPPs notebook में लिख कर ली थी, तो मैं first और second वाली कर चुकी हूँ. I need to do the third, fourth and fifth one. So let's do them.
DPPs complete करने के बाद I went on a walk outside with my mom. We always go for a walk every day. It is very very refreshing. And आज बहुत अच्छी हवा भी चल रही थी, so weather was very nice.
So I just came back from my work and I feel like it was a great break for me after I just like fused my head by doing electricity for like 1.5 घंटा or something. And I feel like going for a walk in nature is always a very refreshing way to take a break. And if you're thinking ki what you should do in your breaks except being on your phone, you could just go out and like take one round around the locality and come back. Trust me, it is going to refresh you a lot because I feel extremely refreshed now. And like I got really tired after doing the science thing because obviously it's like a very difficult topic. Like the second half of the chapter, electricity, it is very difficult. But now I feel very refreshed and I can study again. So I need to complete मेरा SST का homework and like last Friday we got a lot of homework in SST. Like we have 2 chapters के question answers pending and there are a lot of questions and the answers are also very long. So पहले चैप्टर की ड्यू डेट इज नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे एंड दूसरे चैप्टर की ड्यू डेट इज लाइक नेक्स्ट वीक. सो लेट अस नॉट कंसर्न आवरसेल्व्स विद द सेकंड चैप्टर, बट फर्स्ट चैप्टर की ड्यू डेट इज ऑन ट्यूसडे एंड आई डोंट वांट टू ड्रैग इट ऑन टिल मंडे. सो लेट अस ट्राई टू फिनिश इट टुडे. Let's see how bad the questions के answers are.
So अब मैं अपने SSC के question answers कर रही हूँ and honestly I feel like starting with maths was the right thing because starting with a chapter that is easy to me, I feel like I get that dopamine hit early and then I can be productive for long. So मैं Google से अपने answers बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से ढूंढ के कर रही थी क्योंकि हर जगह आंसर्स अच्छे नहीं मिल रहे थे एंड मेरे को एक पूरा पेज फाड़ना भी पड़ा अपना लंबा सा आंसर लिखने के बाद बिकॉज आई फेल्ट लाइक दैट आंसर इज नॉट गुड इनफ. सो दैट वाज वेरी अनोइंग एंड आफ्टर दैट मेरे को मतलब मैंने सारे क्वेश्चंस करे बट मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं मिला. सो देन मैंने बुक में भी ढूंढा बट मेरे को नहीं मिला. सो आई जस्ट गेव अप. आई थॉट मैं स्कूल में जाके किसी का देख लूंगी. सो आई वाज जस्ट लेफ्ट विद वन मोर टास्क एंड मेरे को अपना डिनर भी करना था. सो वी ऑर्डर्ड फूड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड वी एट नान एंड बटर पनीर.
Now I've eaten my dinner and it was very very yummy. And अब I will just change my outfit and I'll change into something more comfortable क्योंकि अभी रात हो गई है. So let's do that. Okay guys, so now I've changed my outfit and I'm wearing a t-shirt with some shorts and this is much more comfortable than what I was wearing before. So yeah, like now I'm in my like nighttime mood, you could say. And I will also turn on some warm lightings so that like I just romanticize the night time. And I always do that जब रात होती है. I just turn on the warm lights in my room. अभी फिलहाल वो ऑन नहीं है बट मैं तुम्हें ऑन करके दिखाती हूँ कैसा लगता है. Now I've turned on the warm light in my room and I feel like it looks बहुत ज़्यादा cozier compared to how it looked पहले. पहले it was white light and now like it's warm lighting. Basically it's like yellowish, so I really like that. I turn on that lamp over there and I turn on this light over there, and ye light can be white also. Let me show you the difference. So this is the white light, it is very very harsh, and then this is the yellow light, which is this warm lighting, and I just like this a lot. Now I've taken my break and मैंने dinner भी खा लिया है. So now into study. We're left with only one task, which is metals and non-metals. And guys, let me tell you that I don't like chemistry at all. And like metals and non-metals के मैंने first two topics complete कर लिया, which is the physical properties and the chemical properties वाले topics. And I think उसके बाद के topics just get more complex. But let's try to do that on our own पहले, क्योंकि ये अभी तक हमारी क्लास में कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. We've just done the physical properties. So I'm going to try to complete the entire chapter today and maybe even practice the NCERT questions if I feel like it. जो मेरे को अभी अपना state of mind और अपनी like sleepiness को देखकर नहीं लग रहा है, but it's okay, we will try our best. So yeah, now let us do science.
NCERT reading never really appeals me, but मेरा और किसी तरीके से इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. एंड NCERT की बुक खोलने के बाद ही मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आने लग गई थी, तो मतलब मेरा तब बिल्कुल भी पढ़ने का मन कर नहीं रहा था. बट आई स्टिल ट्राई टू स्टडी एंड मेरे को समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था कुछ. सो आई विल प्रोबेबली वॉच अ लेक्चर फॉर दिस टॉपिक ऑन सम अदर डे, क्योंकि अभी फिलहाल NCERT से पढ़ के मेरे को कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है एंड मैक्सिमम चीज़ें मेमोराइज करने वाली हैं. तो मतलब वो एज सच अभी पढ़ने का कोई फ़ायदा मुझे लग नहीं रहा था. तो मतलब मैंने पन्ने पलटे थोड़े बहुत एंड आई जस्ट ट्राई टू स्टडी वट एवर आई कुड, इवन दो आई वॉज वेरी स्लीपी, बट इवेंचुअली आई जस्ट गिव अप.
Alright guys, now I've completed all my work and I feel really good क्योंकि मेरा पूरा rule is complete हो चुका है. I also cleaned my desk today and I ate a lot of healthy food today as well, except the popcorn of course. So I would say that today was a great day and I also organized my entire room, which I have not done in a while. So I am really proud of myself today. Let me know in the comment section what tasks you have to complete tomorrow so that you're accountable to somebody. Anyways, do subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful and also like it, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I'll put up my ID right over there. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next one. Love you always. Bye bye.